So basically we have, this is Fortress Accents. There's 5 different cap sizes. We have it anywhere from a 2-inch, we have from a 2-inch cap up to a 5-inch cap. The 2- and 3-inch caps fit our iron post, our aluminum post. And then our 3.5-inch, 4-inch, and 5-inch versions all have, they fit some wood post or some wood composite post. We've tried to come up with a cap design that fits most of the key players in the composite deck industry. So we have if they're a well enough known company, then we've probably got a cap option that's going to fit. As far as the finishes go, we've got white, black, and what we call our ABZ, antique bronze finish. All the caps are constructed out of die-cast aluminum. They have they come as a 2-piece design. It's all hidden fasteners. You don't see any fasteners on our caps. And the way that they go together is with our caps that made up to a steel or aluminum post, you have set screws that actually lock the cap base to the post. On our versions that fit onto a wood post or a wood composite post, there are screws inside of it. There's 4 screws that actually screw down into the top of the deck post, or the post, the wood surface on top of the post. And what that does is by having 4 screws in there, you can actually balance it or level it to get a perfectly horizontal finish. So our caps come unlit. There's no light kit added to them at that point in time. If the homeowner decides that they want to add a light kit, what they do is they buy what we call a cap light kit module. And that module or that kit consists of 4 LEDs assemblies. They all have heat sink technology to draw the heat off of the LEDs. It's a warm light, and then we have a lens that actually directs the light outward. So the light's it's not a spotlight. It actually creates a wider spread on the lighting. And what you do is these lights actually plug into these corresponding slots on the base cover. And what you can do is if you decide that you want to light, 1, 3, 4, or 5 sides. So for instance, this one is lit on all 4 sides. This light is actually lit on only 2 sides. So you have light on both of these and not a light here. So you have some flexibility as far as where you want to put your lighting. If you decide that you want to have 1 light in each of these, you can actually take these pieces and cut them off and move them from one cap to another to change the light effect that you get with your deck. Then we have what we call our universal accent lights. These are just small lights that are 2.5 inches long by 3 inches in depth, and they mount up underneath of deck posts or deck railings. They could mount underneath of a stair tread. Again, it's all LED technology with the same heat sink. Draw the heat off. Got the same lenses to direct the light out into a wider spread. The third light that we have is our vertical post light. It's mounts to the side of a post. Again, it's all hidden fasteners. The LEDs come out the bottom. It's got the same lens that directs the light out away from the post. And then our last light that we have is what we call our surface mount light. It's die cast aluminum also. What's unique about that light is we have a specially designed lens that actually spreads the light out across the surface, so you don't get the hot spot that you see with a lot of other surface lights. It's just a real nice, it gives a real nice effect basically on how the light is dispersed or emitted from the fixture.